How do you see my outfits? Beautiful chef in the kitchen. Welcome to my page. Welcome to my channel, Chi Baby Solomon African Delight Delicacy. So we are making a quick bitter leaf soup recipe this afternoon. Just a quick one. So we are using cocoyam, bitter leaf, of course, meat, dry fish, stockfish, fish, palm oil, and so on. So I've already cooked everything: dry fish, meat, boiled cocoyam. So it's gonna be a quick one. Let's go and prepare the yummy bitter leaf soup. I've added chili, so I'm adding red oil. When you are cooking bitter leaf soup with coconut, you need to add enough red oil, otherwise the face of the soup will not be looking nice, it will be blunt. Let's cover the pot, and the next thing is to blend my cocoyam. I've already boiled this cocoyam, so this is the particular cocoyam we use for bitter leaf soup ofete. This one, this one, I think it's from Thailand. Yes, I don't know what they use it to cook. And in Malaysia here, I don't know. It's like they just boil it and eat it like that. I don't know, but for us, we use it to prepare bitter leaf soup. So we also have this in Nigeria, but in Nigeria we used to be small seed, more than this. Already boiled. Just need to peel the skin off. Then I blend it with water before I will finally put it inside the pot. Our bitter leaf soup is ready. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and also Instagram, African Delicacy, G Baby Solomon. See you on the next episode. Thank you.